This is actually the first antique machine show I've attended as an archivist at CAT, and it's been an incredible experience. I got to operate a Holt 120, which is an exceedingly rare machine. We believe there are only 3 of them remaining in existence. So number one, the thing is absolutely priceless, and it's a horse, which of course is an interesting irony actually, because that's what these machines were meant to do. They were meant back 100 years ago to replace horses. And I remember when I was learning how to operate it, the guy that taught me how to do it, John Bailey, said, okay, you gotta be ready for this, because this thing's a horse. And all I could think about is, yeah, it actually kind of is. It's powerful, it's enormous, and to a certain extent, if you're not ready for it, they're maybe a little bit wild and ungovernable, but it was a really fun thing to do. As an archivist, we have this nice symbiotic relationship with the collectors because we learn quite a bit from them, and then whenever we can, we're able to help them out as well with information that we have. And so it's just always really nice to be able to connect with them in person, talk shop about the company's history and heritage, because we have a heritage that goes back well over 100 years.